Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and building the VanMoof X3. The S5 and A5 are coming out soon, so you can get a good deal on these at the moment and you get them delivered within 7 days. So if you're looking for one of these bikes, if you use the code in the description you can get £100 off. Anyway, on with the build. It's actually rather easy apart from one part, which we'll get onto. The first step is to remove the protective packaging, which are all held on with these reusable cable ties. These are removed easily by just pushing down the tab, slipping your finger behind and pulling. I never throw these away. They are reusable and always come in handy somewhere around the house. Now that all the packaging is removed, the next step is to grab the Allen key from the toolbox, straighten the handlebars and partially tighten the bolts. They'll be fully tightened at the end of the build. Now it's time to assemble the front wheel. The instructions in the box tell you to place the wheel into the cardboard holder and then lower the bike onto it. But my hack is to flip the bike so it's resting on its handlebars and seat, and that makes it much easier for locating the front wheel. Before fitting the wheel though, be sure to remove the brake caliper protector and be careful not to pull the brake lever until you've got the wheel in place. If you do, you might need to use a flathead screwdriver to push the pads apart so you can slip the front wheel in place. Once in place, make sure there's no resistance when rotating the wheel. If there is, lift it up and try relocating it again. Next, we go grab the wheel fixing pack from the toolbox, which includes a washer and a nut for each side. Be sure to wind down the nuts with your finger first to avoid stripping the threads on the spindle. And then use the provided spanner and security socket to tighten the nuts. And now comes the most frustrating part of the build, the front motor cable and its cover. They have fixed the design on the new models, but if you have one of the older bikes, be prepared to suffer for the next 30 minutes. My second hack is to use a pair of needle nose pliers to help you push down the connector into the fork. Then use a little bit of WD-40 to help slide the cover down into the fork. Tighten the fiddly fixings with the provided Allen key and then celebrate your victory. And we're nearly there. The last step is to screw the pedals on and tighten with the last Allen key in your toolbox. Now flip over the bike and plug in the included charger and the bike should come to life. While it's charging, it's a good opportunity to fully inflate your tyres and adjust the seat to the desired height. And there it is, a fully assembled VanMoof X3 ready to ride. In the next video, I'll take the bike out for a ride and compare it against my VanMoof S3